All right, let's go ahead and learn how to review multiplying fractions. So this is a concept you probably learned in 6th and 7th grade. So let's just go ahead and review it, okay? Multiplying fractions. So again, I'm going to take like a fraction like 2/3, and I'm going to multiply it by a fraction of 3/4, okay? So how do I do this? Well, the top number is referred to my numerator. The bottom number is referred to my denominator. So when I multiply fractions, basically what I do is I take and I multiply the two numerators. So I create a problem that looks something like this. I'll have 2 times 3 on the top, and then 3 times 4 on the bottom. So I'm multiplying the numerator times the numerator, and then the denominator times the denominator. So I take 2 times 3, which will give me my numerator of 6, 3 times 4, which will give me my denominator of 12. This is a fraction that can be simplified into simpler terms because a number goes into both of these. A number that goes into both 6 and 12 would be 6. 6 is the largest number that goes into both. So what I can do is I can divide each of those by 6. And when I take 6 divided by 6, I get 1. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. So 2/3 times 3/4 is equal to 1/2. Okay. Let me show you what a mixed number looks like. So if I have the mixed number 1 and, let's go, 2/5 times 2 and 1/2. Okay. When I have mixed numbers in multiplying fractions, I have to change them into improper fractions. I cannot multiply the whole numbers times whole number, fraction times fraction. I have to change them into improper fractions. So again, just quick review on how to change them into improper fractions. So I'm going to take the whole number times the denominator and then add the numerator. So I'm going to do 1 times 5, which gives me 5. 5 plus 2 gives me 7. So that's my improper fraction numerator. I keep the denominator the same, so it's going to stay 5. I'm going to multiply that by 2 and 1/2. It's an improper fraction. So I'm going to take 2 times the denominator, 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 is going to be my numerator here. The denominator on this one was 2, so I'm going to put a 2 down here. Now I have a fraction. Now I have something that looks similar to the one I started with, except for I have improper fractions, which is okay for right now. So I'm going to take the numerator, 7, times the other numerator, 5. I'm going to take the denominator 5, and I'm going to multiply it by the other denominator of 2. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 2 is 10. 35 over 10 can be written as an improper fraction. It can be written as a mixed number. Okay, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and simplify it in simplest terms. The largest number that goes into both 35 and 10 is 5. So I'm going to divide by 5. And I get 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 is an improper fraction. 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over. And so I got 3 and 1/2. All right. Good luck.